So I just want to say that my sisters are here, so you're gonna hear them over there. But in the process of editing this video, my friend was also editing the new intro. So I hope you guys like the new intro that I have for you guys. It has taken her about I've been rushing her, so it's been about 10 minutes. But trust me, if I didn't rush her, it'd probably take her like 3 weeks to do this intro. But I needed it now so I could post this video. So I just wanted to make that disclaimer. So without further ado, let's hop right on into the video. Let's roll the new intro. The extras were I got some Voodoo Kings, some lollipops, and then I also got a squishy. So yes, but that one was just for me because I asked her for a squishy because she gave my other squishy away by an accident, so she owed me one. But yeah, so you might have to order one from her. But she also didn't give me names for the slimes, so I don't know what some of the names are, or if she has names for them. But this is the first slime. So it's not that filled of a container, but that's just because these are like examples. But yeah, my camera down. So okay, so here is the platform. I'm gonna use my laptop. Okay, so it's very clicky. And it's not that stretchy, but it is clicky. It's also not sticky, and it's like almost like you make it sticky, and how you make it sticky is if you do this and then you do that. That's how you make it sticky. But yeah. So that's this one, and it's like a pink slime, but I accidentally got blue stuff in it, and then it has like little glitters and stuff inside of it. So yeah, let me get into the container. Alright, next slime. It is blue. It's a blue butter slime, which is actually very stretchy. Ooh, that was horrible. Wait to show you guys how stretchy this thing is. It's not clicky or anything, it's butter slime. So I can get to stretch. Alright, next slime is this chewed bubblegum slime. It's kind of what it reminds me of. It feels dewy, but trust me, it doesn't leave any dew in your hand. It's like, I love the texture. It makes you think that it's like all wet and soggy, but there's really nothing on your hand. So at the end, and it's really good to stretch. It's a really good slime, but I don't like. I mean, sometimes the texture gets really weird. So yeah, but it also has some foams in it, and it's pink, and I think you can get it in different colors. I'm not sure. We have this one, which is the same thing but more foam. So sorry guys, I'm sick. And then I have two special ones for the end because they're a mixture. But it's very good. And none of the beads fall out when you stretch them. So it's like there's just enough beads where it's not sticky. So yeah. But the next one is this one, which is a clear slime, which got sticky while I was at school. But it's really stretchy. It was the most stretchiest one, and it makes really good popping noises because it's clear glue, you know. It also has a bunch of glitter in it, as you can see from the lid. So, I'm mixing like all the lids up, but yeah. Alright, so there's a couple more. And the next one is this crunchy slime, which has stuff into it. So in this one, it has these weird like confetti things. If you can see by yeah. So it's not that stretchy. It also has glitter in it. So yeah, it was insulated by the glitter in the container. Okay. Alright, last 4. So this is a purple one of the pink one that I flown that I did. So it's basically the same thing but purple / bluish color. Okay, next one. Next one for the 2 ones that we get to mix together. This one is another clear glue, but it's also not that stretchy. So I haven't been playing with it because I need to add out. So I think she was new that they're gonna sticky while it was just. But here's the one we're gonna mix together, guys. So it's cotton candy. Oh my god, it's scented like cotton candy too, which I did not know, but it has a couple floams in it, so I'm really, really excited for this one. It's oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. And there's like a couple of floam in here, so it's not like there's too much, but it just really makes it a good slime. And I think that she had doing cracks to it, so I can just add some aloe to it. That's what she does to her slimes, is add aloe to it, so it's not that stretchy, but it's really good. So yeah, that was a way better than I thought it was, and I've been waiting for this video to play with that one, and it was so satisfying. The next one is this half and half pink and purple one. So this is what I mean, but yeah, this one's a lot more purple than the last purple foam. And yeah, it's not really mixing together because all the beads are at the top, I think that's why. But here you guys go, you guys gonna watch me mix it in, which isn't really mixing in so quickly, but this is yeah, so things are falling out, which is good, but it also has like this weird texture to it where there's not enough slime in it. So maybe she needed to add a little bit more slime to it, but other than that, I think that's pretty good. So yeah, Sandy did pretty good. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, if you guys liked the slimes. I think that my favorite one was this one, the one I finally got to touch today, which is really good. So yeah. So I'm gonna go add some aloe to the ones that need to be aloed, and yeah. Sorry guys, I'm sick. I'm sorry, I'm still playing with it. Okay. Anyways, that's that one. Okay, so we are missing a lid. So, any lids anywhere that I missed? Okay, so if you guys want to see the result of this one, I added like a little bit of aloe to it, and it came out really good. And it's obviously not cleared up because it just added aloe to it, so it's all like not cleared and stuff. But yeah, it's leaving like a little bits of the thing to me from the aloe. But it's picking them right back up, so that's good. But it's so much better now because now I can like touch it, play with it, and all that stuff. So that's the end result of this one. If you guys want to know how to do it, I'll do it right now with this one. So this is the one I'm going to be adding a little bit of aloe to as well. So we put some on the edge of my bed. So I'm just going to take some of that. So I have some aloe on my hands. We're just going to add it to it. And then if you add too much, and then try and get it all over your hands, and then you can go wash your hands. So that's how that can work. Just squeezing it on up. So if you guys want to know how to fix some slime, this is how you do it. This is how you get it. This is how you get stretchy. Guys, remember, this is the one that I mixed together last. Second to last. Now it's all clicky. Well, y'all can't see it, but now it's all clicky and all stretchy. And how I said these two are the ones with add aloe to. Once you add aloe to them, really good.